Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna make a review about this, I don't know what it's called. I didn't search it before doing this, but this one is kind of like a massager, like a head massager or a hair massager. Okay, and as you can see, it looks like this. And this is a new one. This is my old one. I'm gonna show you first. So this is how it looks like. So like cute thing, like you can hold it like this and then scrub your scalp and wash your hair with it. This one become old, and as you can see, all the silicone pads or silicone like spikes, it become kind of like a yellow color. It's still working nice, but I didn't use it anymore because I feel like it's not healthy when the silicone looks like this, so I decided to buy a new one, which is this one. Okay, it's really cheap, it's really nice, and I got it from Amazon and it's really beautiful. This one is softer actually from this one, and it's pink one, looks beautiful, really cute, and yeah, this is how it looks like with this. So what this does actually really helps to clean your scalp perfectly. So if you wanna like a very not scratch but massage your scalp with the shampoo while you're showering and washing your hair, you do it with your fingers, right? It's just like doing like this, like in a circular motion with the shampoo to clean any dirt, any oils from your scalp. This really helps to do the same job, as it's silicone, so it's really soft on your scalp, and at the same time it's more pointed and it will not hurt your scalp. And at the same time we'll massage and clean the scalp while doing this. I go in a circular motion like this, and sometimes go like combing motion, just like I'm combing my hair, and I use it after I wash my scalp perfectly for like about 5 minutes. If I want to like have a really good massage for my scalp, that really helps to make the blood flow more to your scalp, so it will help to make stronger follicles, like stronger hair, your hair grow in a very nice way, reduce hair loss. So it's kind of massage motion under the shower. It really helps to clean and massage your scalp. And actually I use it as a combing motion after I finish that to comb the shampoo through my hair. So it really helps in this one, like combing your hair with the shampoo, so it cleans the strands and make it clean and perfect. After using this one, I really feel my scalp really fresh and it feels so nice, and I feel it's clean, especially if you have dandruff, because in this time of the year begin to have a little bit of dandruff because like the weather changing, we're going from summer to winter, so sometimes I have dandruff. This really helps with the shampoo, like cleaning my scalp perfectly, so it really helps to reduce the dandruff like tremendously. I tried it like for a couple of years now. I used it for a really long time, about a year or a year and a half, and then it become this color, so I decided to buy a new one. So I use it like in this time of the year. Really helps to reduce the dandruff, so try it. If you have dandruff, you want to clean your scalp without using harsh chemicals to clean the dandruff or anything, give it a try. It really helps to reduce the amount of it, and at the same time massage, clean, and do everything. And it's really calming feeling under the shower with this one. It's not like, it looks pointed, but it's really soft on your scalp. So give it a try if you want to. It really helps me make so clean and relaxed and beautiful. So this is for this review. Really hope you like it, and of course don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.